Alright, we got all this done in the last episode. All this. We're gonna start out in this hallway. They just wanted this part done for their tree and Christmas. It's around Christmas time. What is today? December the 13th. And, they just wanted this part done for their decorations, so we're taking these doors down and already got that one painted and the new hardware on. I went through yesterday and sanded these, and well, not sanded them, but got them scraped down. Can't really tell, but the old paint just flaked right off, so I scraped it all down, and we're gonna bring it back to life. Let's see. Tops and then take the bottom, that way the middle holds it. Yeah, I gotta mark where this one goes. Let's get the rest of these. Alright. Before I start sanding here, I'm gonna patch up those little nail holes up there just to make it look a little better. Let me find my stuff here. Probably shouldn't. There we go. My back. Got some kind of catch in my lower back. Bothering me today. Oh. Love using this stuff right here and Mondo glazing putty. I'm starting to like this more and more. Just that red tint, if you ain't using a primer, it tints the paint. You get a little tint of red when you use that glazing putty. Let's see how this. Yeah, see there, I done that last night. That was wide open like that. And like this. And it turned out looking good. I'm gonna try to. I'll leave it like that. See how that goes. I'm not doing that side right now. Let me get up my finger. Fill it up. I'm gonna caulk up these cracks. like all the trim in this project, the doors are going to alabaster as well. I chose to go with Gallery Series. It rolls on good. They say you're not supposed to roll it, but I've rolled it on cabinets and brushed it, and it works just fine. No problem with adhesion or anything. But I like to start out, I'll do my panels first, and then after I get my panels done, I'll go on to the flat parts. And I do 2 to 3 coats. These were already an off-white color, so they covered gray in 2 coats. And I just use my mini microfiber whiz roller, and they come out looking like they're sprayed.
If it's Christmas, then I would like Santa and the elf, and I like Elfies, small.
I do it twice. This is repetition. Learn how to use a brush, how to manipulate the bristle, and having a steady hand. And sometimes it's not so steady, but you see me shake sometimes. That's to get the bristles moved where I want them. pressure with your wrist. A lot of different things go into brushwork. Alright, then I'll go back with the microfiber roller. I've done the same thing here. You see it lays down flat. Smooths the paint out real good. We'll back and forth to doors and trim and doors and trim. Still drying. Looking good though. Using gallery series on this. Yeah, still wet a little bit. And on the north range. And Alright guys, it's 7:12. Been working since 8 o'clock this morning. I forgot to take a clip of what I got done. I can't believe it. But I'm just ready to get out of here. It's Friday. I got all them doors painted. All the trim almost done. So I'll touch on that on Monday's video. I'm gonna start trying to put a video out, a short one, like a vlog every day. Try to. I don't hopefully I can keep up with it, but I appreciate you guys tuning in. And let's head to the house, and I'll see you guys Monday.